Here we go.
Hello, everybody.
It's live.
So Ali and I, we were waiting for the boxes to come, and they came yesterday, and it was raining, so we didn't want to open it until today, and we were busy today, so it's been quite a day, right, honey?
Oh yeah. Hey, Barbara's already watching. Hey, Barbara. Yep, more Tibetan bowls. Here we go.
So we don't even know what's in this one.
Well, I don't even know how to say Barbara's last name right. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh. And here comes the first bowl.
Oh, weird.
It's a beautiful little tiny bowl. Okay, everybody, help us count them. Here's the first bowl.
Cute.
Very cute. Okay, leave that one wrapped, honey. It's in perfect condition. Just leave it wrapped. Oh, nice sound. Such a big box. I was expecting big bowls. Oh, here we go. Nice big bowl. Okay, so that's 3. Okay, there's 4. And Doug's checking them out. That's 5. Oh, this one's wrapped in newspaper. I love the Tibetan newspaper. It's so interesting.
Let me get the newspaper off of it. Oh,
Oh,
really?
look. It's a face, honey. It's a Tibetan girl. Wrap it in some, yeah. There we go. Okay. Well, did we lose track already? I think this is 6.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
We had to actually make room in the house because we are bringing these to a facility, and from now on we're going to have a warehouse.
Oh, that's a pretty one. Okay, that makes 7. Nothing else? Oh, there's more. Okay. Another one we gotta unwrap.
This is just the first box. We're going to probably
Yeah, we
have
thought
to-
we were gonna have 3 boxes, but we got 4
Oh.
boxes. Oh, that Tibetan newspaper. Okay, so that's 8. You guys still counting with us?
Oh, my
Oh
God.
boy, here comes the mother load. Oh, and they're all individually wrapped.
There it
Ooh,
is.
look, we got oh my God, you can't believe how heavy this hammer is. These hammers are so cool.
They're very primitive. But cool.
Yeah, okay. So I think this is 11. I lost track. Maybe that was 10.
Not so easy. Here, go on, that's another one. These are beautiful. Look at these.
They're really beautiful. Oh, give me a little piece of,
This is a never-ending box.
yeah, wow. Okay.
Ooh. That's got to be 11 inches, right?
Maybe 10.
We should measure.
Yeah, we'll have to measure.
Yeah, this is definitely bigger.
Oh, that's definitely a 12 or a 13, yeah?
Low frequency.
Oh, we got a whole bunch of people watching. Steve and Sharon and Isabel.
So they're still trying to, there's still more in this one. This is just the first box.
Oh my goodness, I need another plastic wrap. Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to count these again. I've lost track. Anybody got a number for us?
Beautiful. This is a high bowl. See the
Yeah.
see the way it's high like that?
Okay. Plastic wrap, please. Okay. There's more?
Well, now we have all these things.
Oh.
We have to keep these in a separate
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, these are really big
These
and
are
heavy.
really nice.
And they're all made by hand when they're made like this.
I don't know how the heck.
I don't know how the heck they make these either. These are amazing. Wow, look at all of them. Oh, this one box. Oh, and they're purple and they're red and they're... Wow. Okay. And there's more.
But wait, there's more.
And there's more.
There, you put them in bags.
Oh, there's a purple one. And a black one.
Oop, one that broke.
Oh no! Yeah, I saw a purple one. Or are they brown? I think they're brown. Yeah, I think they're brown. Nope, that's definitely purple. I saw it turn purple. Yes, that's definitely purple. See? That's purple.
Yeah, I think this is the last thing in there.
Really? Ooh.
Maybe not. Though. Oh,
Oh my goodness, what'd you find?
it's a burlap.
Oh my goodness.
I think that's it for this one.
Okay, well, we got another box together to open. Oh, nope, there's another one.
And another one bites the
And
dust.
another one.
Okay, well that's
Okay, that's it for now. We got 3 more boxes to go.
We don't know when
Bye,
we'll do it.
everyone. We're
Bye.
not sure when we're going to do the next one, but at least you got to watch us open those. We're going to count them again. Anybody have the right number, we'll give you a discount on your very own bowl. See if you're right. Okay, bye, everyone. Love to all.